Okay, so here's our room, 133. Now, the towel is here on purpose to keep the insects from crawling in. So if you have a towel in front of your door, keep it there if you don't like insects. Okay, we are entering our room for the first time. We're gonna start downstairs. Beautiful. Okay.
I hate these stairs.
You're scared of those stairs. Okay, hold on, everybody. Okay. Oh, you guys already put the pillows in, huh? Okay, great. This is everything here. We got 2 extra beds. The AC is up there. Let me come over here and open the bathroom. The outdoor bathroom. Whoa.
Enjoy nature.
Yeah. So here is the toilet. I think that's a bidet. I'm thinking now that after Qatar, I really think that's a bidet. Let me open this part. Oh, look. This is where you can put your towels here. Towels goes here. Let me take a look at the outdoor jacuzzi area here. Okay. Here is the shower here. So another rinse off shower here before you go take your actual full shower in here.
Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful. And that door closes because you need to keep the air conditioning indoors. Okay, and then we have KK, who is starting drama for no reason.
No, I'm scared. Like I said, I hate the stairs.
Then why did you go up while we were all downstairs? Okay, so there we go. Climbing up the stairs to the king size bed upstairs. Here's a king size bed. It has its own air conditioning unit. Has tables here. Beautiful, beautiful. And then outside patio. Trying to figure out if I can open this thing. Okay, clearly I don't know how to open things. Nope. How do I get out? I'm trapped. Okay. I don't know how to open. Go ahead. This is how it opens. You go up and a tug like that and it opens. Oh my gosh, I can hear the ocean. Oh, we are literally like 10 feet from the ocean. Okay, maybe 20 feet. We don't want to be that close. But we have lounge chairs right there. Right outside our room. This is beautiful. What a view. This is our view every morning for a week.
It's hot.
Oh my gosh, look at that view.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna be a mermaid there.
Okay, you can be a mermaid there. You can try out your mermaid tail right there at that tree. Look at that. Here's a closer look of the safe and amenities here. This is their special bottled water that I heard that they actually filter here on the island. They have actually a water filtration unit on this island, which is pretty cool. And this is the price right here. If you want beer, it's kind of expensive. Coke is expensive too. Orange is coconut. Soda water. I think this is their soda water. I'm not too sure. I'm guessing it is.
Anything.
That's label 6-7, and this one isn't even
Oh,
labeled at all.
I'm wrong. There's a label. It's just bottled.
This is just bottle one. I don't know.
It's saying bottle 6-7.
Oh, bottle 6-7. This is
Yeah.
bottle 1-7. I guess nobody has been drinking the one bottled January 7th.
Got some old water.
Or is this July 1st? Because they have the month the other way around.
Maybe.
I'm hoping this is because it's the other way around. So maybe this is bottled July 1st and this is bottled July 6th. And then we have no idea which one when this one was bottled.
Mystery water.
Mystery water. Okay, but this is where we are. But I do believe one of these bottled water we can open. That's what I was told. Okay, so we are exiting. We want to check out the beach that's right in front of our door.
Yeah.
Literally, it's in front of our door.
And look, it's nice.
It's so beautiful.
Hey, look, there's a little dog.
Oh. How's the water? Actually, the water feels really good. All right. How about she doesn't bring her phone? I like that idea. And then get used to it, kids.